Hello, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I am V. In today's video, I am going to do a request for doing an all orange eye look. Today we're only doing eyes. No other type of makeup except eyeshadow. And it was requested by Bumsy B Beauty. Check her out on YouTube. Oh, and an update on my Wonder Beauty. This is from my BoxyCharm. It has two sides. The lip, this is the blush. I tried it, it's a little light. This is the lip section, and as you can see, I've been using it. This is what I have on my lips. It is not sticky. I am enjoying that one also. Just giving you a progress on the stuff as I'm using them and how I'm liking them. That's it. Now we are going to do an orange eye look. I have two palettes. I have the Plain in Makeup by Yolando Artistry palette. I am going to take the matte orange from this palette, which is this color right here. This is the orange. And from Ruby May Makeup Spice Latte palette, I will be taking this shimmer glitter to use with the matte. Eyes only. Okay, this one has a nice big mirror. So orange, here we are. The orange in this one. This is what our orange is looking like. I like the orange in this palette, it's nice. Okay, now we are going to use the orange from the other palette, the shimmer. Let us see. I don't know, sometimes they look good until you put them on. I'm doing the second eye with the shimmer. This orange shimmer is very pretty, and you can see the difference between the matte and the shimmer. Now I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to just fix the shimmer. I am back, and this is the eye look for today. And this was requested by Bumsy B Beauty. The eye look for today is just eyeshadow, orange eyeshadow, and eyeliner. No mascara, no blush, no foundation, nothing, no setting spray, just eyes. So I hope you like. Please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.